Ah, the samurai. Gosh, I love the samurai, and I wish I was there to teach you about it. We will pick up when I get back on Monday to learn more about this fascinating period of time. But today I just wanted to help you with getting started, getting some background information so that we can truly understand the importance of these individuals, the samurai, and this period of history called feudal Japan. I'm going to walk you through the steps that you'll be taking today so that on Monday we're really ready to go. If we go to slide 2, there we go. We're looking at a vocabulary activity, and you'll see that there's about 6 terms on the left and a spot on the right for you to write a definition. And next to that is a column in which you can tell me what that word reminds you of, or what that word is similar to, or what that word makes you think of. It's important that you fill out every column in this assignment. The definition part's pretty simple. If you look up at the top, there's a link called Glossary. If you click that link, it will launch our textbook glossary. It looks like this. Wow, look at white screen. Oh, here it comes. Wait for it. Boom. There's our glossary. So you can scroll down, find the word you want. There's daimyo. And you could even just copy that. Control C. And then go back to your assignment here. And if you hold down your Shift key at the same time, Control V, you get your definition there. Although that's in the wrong spot, right? Because this was for daimyo. And then you're going to tell me what you think that word means. So you're going to do that for every single turn. Now, if you see that you're losing the words down here at the bottom, you'll see that my cursor is there. Just click that so that we maintain that it's all going to fit on here together. You may need to reduce the font size so everything fits. But that's the first step, vocabulary. All right, let's take a look at slide 3. On slide 3, we get a chance to kind of put ourselves into this scene. And it talks about a samurai walking through. And when you read it, it might give you an idea of the importance that a samurai had in feudal Japan. Then I want you to take a guess. So we're looking at a feudal pyramid, right? You remember this from the Middle Ages? You should remember who was on top. I'm going to give you a hint. It was the king, right? And on the bottom, those were the serfs. Very similar in feudal Japan, except the names are different. All you're going to do on this slide is just take those individual word choices that you have there. Well, it's not doing it with what I have selected, but you will just drag them into place, right? Click and drag it into place. There we go. All right. And click and drag into place. Drag into place. There we go. Drag into place. All right. You just take a guess, right? And when you think you're finished, you're going to type in Go Guardian and let me know that you're done, and I'll tell you if you're right or not. If you're right on the first try, I'll give you extra credit. Let's move along to slide 5. Slide 5, we need to do some reading. And this is where we'll understand the position that each one of those members of the feudal system had. So as you go through, you should be able to drag them into the different spots. And I have a question there that I'd like you to answer. If you can remember why there was a need for feudalism in the Middle Ages, type that message and Go Guardian. I'll give you extra credit. Slide 6 is a little different. These are called hexagons. I want you to connect these hexes by clicking and dragging them and pushing them together like that, right? Click and drag it together. But when you put them together, that means that somehow those words are connected. Now it says that there's a bomb, there's a hex bomb. One of these words doesn't belong. And you're going to take that word and drag it on top of the bomb here. What you want to do, see it's going in behind there. What you want to go to your Arrange tool up at the top. And we're going to put that to the front, bring to front. And there's the daimyo up at the top. But I'm going to give you a hint. That's not the bomb. Put that one back. Then you're going to answer a question to tell me how these words are related. The sentence might go something like this. The daimyo is connected to the vassal because, and then complete that sentence. All right, that's the vocabulary hexagon activity. And that's probably about as far as you might get on a Friday. But the last thing we have here is a link to Edpuzzle. So up here at the top, if you click the link, it will launch your Edpuzzle, and you can watch that and answer the questions at the end. All right, so that should get you through your Friday. You do not need to get past slide 8. If you finish early and you want to take a look at it, knock yourself out. I want you to continue to work hard, be respectful of our substitute. Believe it or not, he was once one of my students. How old is that? How old does that make me? Like an ancient samurai? Oh my God. Anyway, have a great day. I will see you Monday, hopefully. And I have one last thing to say. Labrate! Because that means get to work.